I don't have nothing new to say about that, but just that I think that the bullish move is about to continue. I prefer the investor style, but also yesterday we said we can jump in here. Now the way I believe it's going to move, it's making some ABCD type. Here I believe it will find some top, maybe triangle, maybe some other pattern. Then I expect it to make a drop. I don't think at this stage it will be one-way move, but I definitely think it will find some consolidation area and then break it up and continue higher. Anyway, yesterday's bottom is pretty fair and good enough to hold. It starts to create a trend line. We have two spots. It's enough to draw a line, and it has to hold, right? It has to hold in order the bullish momentum to successfully be continuing here. Okay, so that's pretty much all. I don't have nothing else to say. I think it's up. If you are not in, if you're in investors, I don't think it's also necessary to be in the regular. If you are not on the investor run for just hold and wait for the cycle to come, then simply take a look on this pattern to be created. Once it completes itself, it could be very nice attempt. By the way, this trend line is opportunity to buy as well. Trend line and support. Okay, it's a risk of 10, 12, 13, depends on the spread points, with a possible really build very long run, very nice possible profits. I do expect here to reach at least the last high, which is 70 points from the current place, and very likely it will also start to slowly rolling even to higher levels. I do remind you, we have already have around 180 candles below 200 moving average without retesting that. Okay, 20 more candles, it's only 3 weeks. On the long run it's nothing, right? And it will start to have natural pressure to rally to this area. Right? Remember that I explained it yesterday, and it's still relevant. But that's pretty much about the euro pound. Very small possible risk for a very high possible potential return. I do think it works.